The discovery of fire marked a monumental turning point in human history. It allowed our ancestors to cook food, which made it safer and easier to digest. Early humans used fire for warmth and to ward off predators, but it was the application of fire to food that truly revolutionized our relationship with the natural world. The earliest cooking tools were simple, often found objects. Stones were used for pounding and grinding. Sharpened sticks served as skewers for roasting meat over open flames. These rudimentary tools represent the ingenuity of early humans in adapting their surroundings for culinary purposes. The control of fire and the development of basic tools laid the foundation for the evolution of cooking. As humans mastered these elements, our culinary possibilities expanded. The journey from simple roasting over an open fire to the sophisticated cuisines of today began with these humble beginnings. The discovery of fire is believed to have been accidental, perhaps from a lightning strike or volcanic activity. Early humans learned to control and maintain fire, a skill that required patience and ingenuity. Alongside fire, early humans developed a variety of primitive tools. Hand axes were used for cutting meat and processing animal hides. Scrapers helped in cleaning hides and preparing them for clothing and shelter. Digging sticks were essential for unearthing roots and tubers, expanding the variety of their diet. The combination of fire and tools had a profound impact on early human life, fostering community and cooperation. These advancements set the stage for the continuous evolution of cooking tools, leading to the diverse culinary practices we enjoy today. The invention of pottery was a significant leap forward in cooking technology. It marked the transition from using rudimentary stone tools to more sophisticated cooking methods. Clay vessels offered a way to cook liquids and stews, expanding the culinary repertoire of early civilizations. This allowed for the preparation of more complex and nutritious meals. Clay pots could be suspended over fires or placed directly on hot coals. This versatility made them indispensable in ancient kitchens. Early pots were often simple in design, round or oval in shape, with wide mouths for easy access. These designs facilitated stirring and serving. The development of handles and lids improved their functionality, allowing for more controlled cooking. Handles made pots easier to move, while lids helped retain heat and moisture. Clay pots also served as storage containers for food and water. Their porous nature helped keep contents cool and fresh. The use of clay pots spread rapidly across different cultures. Each culture adapted the basic design to suit their specific needs and resources. Each region developed its own unique styles and techniques for pottery making. This led to a rich diversity in pottery forms and functions. The versatility of clay allowed for a wide range of shapes and sizes, catering to different culinary traditions. From large storage jars to small cooking pots, clay vessels were integral to daily life. The creation of clay pots involved several steps. Artisans would shape the clay on a potter's wheel, then fire the pots in a kiln to harden them. Some pots were also decorated with intricate designs reflecting the artistic skills of their makers. These decorations often held cultural or symbolic significance. Archaeological discoveries of clay pot fragments provide valuable insights into the daily lives and culinary practices of ancient peoples. They reveal how these early innovations laid the foundation for modern cooking techniques. The discovery and use of metals marked a turning point in the evolution of cooking tools. Bronze, an alloy of copper and tin, was one of the first metals used for cookware. Bronze pots offered greater durability and heat conductivity compared to their clay counterparts. The later adoption of iron further revolutionized cookware. Iron pots were even more durable and could withstand higher temperatures. This allowed for new cooking methods such as frying and deep frying. The development of cast iron in China during the 5th century BC further enhanced the durability and heat retention of cookware. Metal cookware allowed for more precise temperature control and even heat distribution. This resulted in food that was cooked more evenly and efficiently. The use of metal also opened up new culinary possibilities, leading to the development of more complex dishes and flavors. The transition from bronze to iron was not immediate, but marked by significant technological advancements. Iron smelting required higher temperatures and more sophisticated techniques, which led to the development of advanced furnaces and tools. These advancements not only improved cookware but also had a broader impact on various aspects of daily life. The improved durability and heat retention of iron cookware allowed for more consistent cooking results, which in turn influenced ancient culinary practices. Today, the legacy of these early advancements continues to influence modern cooking, blending traditional techniques with contemporary innovations. Knives have been essential tools for food preparations since prehistoric times. Early knives were crafted from materials like flint, obsidian, and bone. These sharp-edged tools were used for a variety of tasks, from hunting and butchering animals to cutting and preparing food. The development of metalworking led to the creation of stronger and more durable knives. Bronze knives, though an improvement over stone, were eventually superseded by iron knives. Iron offered superior strength and sharpness, making it ideal for crafting more intricate and specialized knives. Modern knives are typically made from stainless steel, a material known for its durability, corrosion resistance, and ability to hold a sharp edge. The evolution of knife materials has been paralleled by the development of specialized knives for specific culinary tasks such as chef's knives, paring knives, and bread knives. In Japan, the art of knife making has led to the creation of specialized knives like the yanagiba for slicing fish and the deba for filleting. Chinese cuisine often employs the versatile cleaver, which can be used for everything from chopping vegetables to slicing meat. In the Middle East, traditional knives like the jambia are not only used for cooking but also hold cultural significance. Today, the kitchen knife continues to evolve, incorporating new materials and designs to meet the diverse needs of chefs and home cooks around the world. Section 5, From Hand to Machine. The development of mixing tools. Mixing tools have evolved alongside cooking techniques, playing a crucial role in combining ingredients and creating textures. Early humans likely used their hands as the primary mixing tool, relying on their tactile sense to combine ingredients. Over time, simple tools like wooden spoons, spatulas, and whisks were developed to aid in mixing and stirring, making the process more efficient. The invention of the mortar and pestle, dating back thousands of years, allowed for the grinding and blending of ingredients, which was essential for creating pastes, sauces, and medicines. This innovation was crucial in many culinary traditions, enabling the preparation of more complex dishes. Hand-cranked butter churns and egg beaters further expanded the possibilities of mixing and aerating ingredients, making it easier to achieve desired textures. The 20th century saw the rise of electric mixers, revolutionizing the way we mix and process food. These devices significantly reduced the time and effort required for mixing. Stand mixers and handheld electric mixers made quick work of tasks that were once time-consuming and laborious, allowing for greater consistency and precision in recipes. These advancements allowed for the creation of smoother sauces, lighter cakes, and a wider variety of culinary creations, transforming both home and professional kitchens. Today, the variety of mixing tools available reflects the diverse needs of modern cooking and baking, from simple hand tools to sophisticated electric mixers. High-tech mixers with multiple attachments have further expanded the capabilities of these tools, enabling chefs to experiment with new techniques and recipes. The evolution of mixing tools has not only made cooking and baking more efficient but also more creative, allowing for the exploration of new culinary horizons. paving the way for the sophisticated kitchens we enjoy today. Section 7. Innovation in the 20th century, new materials and appliances reshape cooking. The 20th century witnessed a surge in innovations that reshaped the culinary landscape. New materials, manufacturing processes, and the rise of electricity led to the development of appliances that simplified cooking and expanded culinary possibilities. Stainless steel, with its durability and resistance to rust and staining, became a popular choice for cookware. The invention of non-stick cookware in the mid-20th century revolutionized cooking by preventing food from sticking to surfaces, making cooking and cleaning easier. The introduction of plastics and silicone brought about a new era of flexible and heat-resistant kitchen tools, from spatulas and whisks to baking molds and ice cube trays. The rise of electricity led to the development of a wide range of kitchen appliances that simplified food preparation. Electric ovens offered precise temperature control, while blenders, food processors, and electric mixers streamlined tasks that were once time-consuming. These innovations made cooking more efficient and less laborious. Induction cooktops, introduced in the late 20th century, offered a safer and more energy-efficient way to cook by using electromagnetic fields to directly heat pots and pans. The microwave oven, another groundbreaking invention, drastically reduced cooking times and made reheating food incredibly convenient. Sous vide technology, which involves cooking food in vacuum-sealed bags at precise temperatures, allowed for restaurant-quality results at home. The air fryer, a more recent innovation, provided a healthier alternative to deep frying by using hot air to cook food to crispy perfection. Smart kitchen gadgets, integrated with the Internet of Things, have brought a new level of convenience and control, allowing users to monitor and operate appliances remotely. These continuous advancements in materials and appliances have not only reshaped cooking practices, but also transformed the kitchen into a hub of innovation and efficiency. Section 8. Smart Kitchens and Beyond. Technology and the Future of Cooking. Technology continues to transform the way we cook, with smart appliances and connected kitchens becoming increasingly prevalent. These innovations are not just about convenience, but also about enhancing the cooking experience. Smart refrigerators can help with meal planning, create shopping lists, and even order groceries online. They can suggest recipes based on the ingredients you have and track expiration dates to reduce food waste. Ovens with Wi-Fi connectivity allow for remote preheating and monitoring. You can start cooking dinner while you're still at work, ensuring a hot meal is ready when you get home. Advanced cooking technologies such as sous vide and induction cooking offer greater precision and control over the cooking process, resulting in restaurant-quality meals prepared at home. Induction cooktops are energy efficient and provide instant heat adjustments. Sous vide involves cooking food sealed in airtight bags, submerged in a temperature-controlled water bath, ensuring even cooking to the exact desired doneness. This method is perfect for achieving consistent results every time. The future of cooking may involve even greater automation with robotic chefs and AI-powered kitchen assistants. These technologies can handle repetitive tasks, allowing home cooks to focus on creativity and presentation. Imagine a kitchen where a robotic arm prepares ingredients, a smart oven adjusts cooking times and temperatures based on real-time feedback, and a voice-activated assistant provides step-by-step instructions. This level of integration could revolutionize home cooking, making it more accessible and enjoyable for everyone. Augmented reality, AR cooking apps are another exciting development. With AR glasses, you can follow recipes with visual guides overlaid on your kitchen, making complex techniques easier to master. As technology advances, sustainability is also a key focus. Smart kitchens are incorporating energy-efficient appliances and eco-friendly gadgets, helping to reduce the environmental impact of cooking. Ultimately, the goal of these technological advancements is to make cooking more enjoyable, efficient and accessible, bringing families together and inspiring the next generation of home chefs. Section 9. Conclusion: a culinary journey through time. The evolution of cooking tools is a testament to human ingenuity, our desire for efficiency, and our enduring fascination with food. From the simplicity of cooking over an open fire with rudimentary tools to the complexity of modern kitchens equipped with smart appliances, the journey of culinary tools reflects our changing relationship with food and technology. As we look to the future, we can expect further innovation in cooking technology with a focus on sustainability, personalization, and automation. The kitchen of tomorrow will likely be more connected, efficient, and intuitive, empowering both home cooks and professional chefs to explore new culinary frontiers and create meals that are both delicious and sustainable. Reflecting on this journey, we see how ancient stone tools gave way to medieval cooking pots and how early modern stoves revolutionized home cooking. The Industrial Revolution brought about mass-produced kitchen tools, while the 20th century introduced electric appliances that made cooking more accessible and convenient. Today, we stand on the brink of a new era, where AI-driven cooking tools and smart appliances are transforming our culinary experiences. As we embrace these new technologies, we also turn our attention to sustainable practices, ensuring that our culinary journey continues to evolve in harmony with our planet. The future holds endless possibilities, with innovative cooking methods and futuristic kitchens that will redefine how we prepare and enjoy food. Ultimately, this journey through time is a celebration of our culinary achievements and the diverse dishes that bring us together, reflecting our shared history and our collective future.